So this is Godwin Odenema, and this is a video teaching you how to remove wallets to bank and airtime to cash from your website. So this is actually a requirement from Monify and Paystack based on CBN directive. So they don't want you to actually have a wallet to bank and airtime to cash. Okay, so what do we do? The first thing is to log into your hosting cPanel. So now I've logged in. So this is my cPanel. So I'll go to File Manager. I'll go to File Manager. Okay, so this File Manager. Then you go to Public HTML. So let me zoom in. Okay, let me change the desktop site. So let me zoom in so you can see clearly. Okay, so public HTML. This is public HTML, right? Click on it. Public underscore HTML rather. Public underscore HTML. So these are the things under it. Public underscore HTML. So you go to mobile. Go to mobile. So click on mobile. This mobile. Then click on home. This is home. Then click on home pages. As you can see, home pages. So let's see by the right. So let me zoom in a little so you can see what we have in the home pages. Okay, so this is home page 1. You can see home page 1, home page 2, home page 3, home page 4, home page 5. So what it means is that we have different designs. These are designs for your home page. For example, if you log into your website, we have different designs. Okay, let me show you. So for example, this is my website, right? This is my website, and this is a particular design. So we are supposed to remove this. Let me show you. Convert airtime to cash and other things. Airtime to cash here. So this is a particular design. This is a particular home page. So let's go back. We want to remove airtime to cash. Airtime to cash and wallet to bank from the whole home pages. So what you do is to what you remove from each of the home pages. On page 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So what I'll do is click on this, or long press it rather. Long press, then edit. Then edit. Now make sure you are careful because these are codes. Don't press what you are not supposed to press. So click on edit here. You have to take care, else your website will not work again. So just take your time. Take your time. Like, you have to be very, very careful. And if you make mistake, you can always press this back icon here. This back, you can see it. This back. Let me zoom it for you to see. So this back, this spiral stuff showing to the left is back. This spiral sign indicating to the right is forward. Okay, so let me zoom out. Now we want to remove wallet to bank and we want to remove those services because Paystack and Monify, they require you to remove from your website before they can approve you. So if you're having issue with modify approving your account and pay stack, you have to remove this from your website because I think it's a requirement from CBN and the rest. So it's not allowed because you're not bank. So you're not supposed to be converting airtime to cash and wallet to bank. Do you understand? So that's the reason why they are not accepting it. So you go to your website, which is this place here. Now we are about to remove wallet to bank and airtime to cash. So this is homepage one, right? So we have to look for where it is on our website. Okay, let me see where it will be. So let me look for the line 154. So this is, just take your time gently. Okay, let's see. Let me look for wallet to bank and airtime to cash. Okay, so you can see line 119. So line 119, you see airtime to cash. You can see. Let me zoom in. You can see airtime to cash, right? So we are supposed to remove it. We are supposed to remove it because if we don't remove it, Monify or Paystack will not approve our account. So what are we removing? We are removing from this A less than A. Let me show you. Sorry, where is airtime to cash? Sorry. Okay, so this is airtime to cash, right? We are removing from this A here. Okay, from this less than A up to this close of A. You understand? So when I highlight, you'll see. So you have, or when I start deleting, you'll see. So we want to remove this from the website. So airtime to cash. So I want to start deleting. So delete carefully. Okay. So let me give space here so that I'm trying to give space. Okay, so I'm deleting from this close of this A. So I'm deleting now. So delete carefully. So delete carefully. So you can see I'm deleting airtime to cash. Let me zoom in for you. So let me delete airtime to cash. So from the less than less than A href to the close of A. Do you understand? That's what I'm deleting. So delete carefully, slowly, because any little mistake can make your website not work again because these are codes. Okay, so I'm deleting this for airtime to cash, right? Don't delete fast or delete gently. So if you take your time, very soon it will be gone. So delete carefully. So I'm deleting up till this place here, the less than a href. So that's the first thing. Then the second thing is to delete wallet to bank. Wallet to bank. Okay, let's see where that one is. Let's see 134, line 134, if possible. Okay, you see it here. So 134, 137, whatever it is. So now you see this a href to bank. Let me show you here. Hope you can see it. So to bank, and you will see this place, you see wallet to bank. So we're deleting the start of the a, which is the anchor tag. So these are code. We are deleting from here up to the close of the a here. So it means that if we delete it, we will not have it in our website again. So I want to create space here. Okay, so let's start deleting from this. Let's start deleting from here. Okay, so let's start deleting from here. So you start deleting from the close of the anchor tag up to when you have the less than ahref. So you start deleting from the greater than sign of the anchor tag of the a. So you can see I'm taking my time slowly. So I want to delete wallet to bank. So take your time to delete. So modify and paste tag, they don't want all this again. So yours is to delete it from the website. So after deleting, what you have to do is to message modify and paste tag. Message them through their support. You see the icon on their website. Message them that you've deleted it from your website now, that they can confirm. And you can also screenshot either your home page of your website or the code. This what you are deleting now. You can screenshot it and send them that okay, oh, you've deleted it, so it can be faster. Because they're also human beings. They may not know that you have deleted it from your website. So you have to remind them. So you can see I'm taking my time to delete. Okay, we've deleted it, right? Okay, so you save, come up, and save changes here. Now you do the same thing for the whole home pages. Saved, right? So I don't know if I'm using home page one, but let me see. Let me check my website if it will still be there. Home page. Okay. So this is my website. Let me see. So if I were using homepage one, it's supposed to have. So let me refresh my website. Okay, it is still there. Okay, so let's continue. Let's just continue. So it's possible I'm not using the homepage one. Okay, for us to even confirm if it has been deleted, it's not that one. But let's continue our deleting. So let's go for the homepage two. So I'll go to homepage two, edit. Go to edit. Now just look for a wallet to bank and airtime to cash. That should be around one something line, one something. Okay, so you can see airtime to cash here. Is airtime to cash. Airtime to cash. So let me delete from the close from the greater than sign up to you have the less than sign of href. So I'm deleting this for home page 2. I'll do so for all. So you take your time because any little mistake will make your website not work again. And if you're having issue with your website, I don't know where you made mistake, you have to start afresh. You go to your public HTML and delete. You will not delete your public HTML. You go to public underscore HTML. Then the content inside the public underscore HTML, you highlight them and delete. Then you will import your script again into that place and extract. They start afresh. Do not forget you are going into public underscore HTML. That is if you want to start afresh. That is if you want to start afresh. Okay. So let me continue deleting. I'll delete up to yeah. So that's that for airtime to cash. Then now wallet to bank is right here. Okay, it's right here. You can see. So this wallet to bank. So let's remove it from our website. So this is our home page too. So just delete from this place. So for you to confirm if it's being deleted, you will log in as a user. Do you understand? You log in. So when you log in, as if you want to buy airtime, or you want to you log in as a user, then you will see if you see those icons of airtime to cash, wallet to bank there. Okay, so haven't done that, you go to save changes. Now save changes. Okay, so now let me log in as a user. Let me log in as a subscriber or as a customer. Okay, let me log in and confirm. Okay, so I've logged in as a user. So let me show you what it is like right now. So it is showing airtime to cash. It means I've not effected it to the right home page. So you can see wallet to bank. You can also see airtime to cash. So let me just finish editing it to all the home pages. Okay, let's continue. So I've done home page 2. Okay, let's go to home page 3. So you already know what to do. So airtime to cash and wallet to bank. Okay, so you can see this airtime to cash here. So let me just give space so that we don't make any mistake. Okay, I think me giving this space is has done something. So just press back. It has removed the press back. So if you make any mistake, just press back here. Let me show you the back. So this back. So you can see it has come back now. Okay, so you can see this you start deleting from this place here, this greater than sign. I wanted to give space, but I think it removed the greater than sign, so you delete from here. So let's start deleting. Delete up to you have ahref. So you delete. So take your time. Delete until you have this less than up to this point here. And I told you if you make any mistake, you can easily press back. So I've done for airtime to cash, right? So let's go for wallet to bank. So come down. Okay, or come up. So just delete airtime to cash and wallet to bank on each home page, and whenever you are done, just click on save changes. So let me just do that now, then I'll come back to check if it has been affected. So I'll go to the next home page now. I'll go to home page 4 now. So I'll do home page 4 and 5, then I'm pausing the video now. I'll do home page 4 and 5, then I'll check if it has worked. So now this home page 4, this airtime to cash, this wallet to bank. So I'll delete them just now. They're everyone in the same place, so I'll just delete. So this airtime to calendar from here. So airtime to sorry, this is not it. Sorry, please. This wallet to bank. Yes. Starting from here, wallet to bank, I'll delete, as you can see, by deleting wallet to bank. So please take your time to delete. Don't delete something extra. If you do, your website might not work again. So you will realize that there are some people that will do this editing and will delete something differently. Whenever you notice you delete something and you want to go back, go to that icon I showed you back. So this for this. Now let's delete for airtime to cash. So just delete from this close of A up to where you have the less than sign href. Okay, we've done that for on page 4. What I'll do now is to save changes. I'll come up, save changes. Okay, so let's go to the last one now, which is on page 5, right? I'm taking my time to do everything so you don't have any excuse. So edit, so you look for them, wallet to bank and airtime to cash. Okay, so you can see we have it here already. Airtime to cash, wallet to bank. So delete from here, from so be careful. So this is wallet to bank here. From here I will delete. Don't delete fast like this, please. Delete step by step. Alright, so you delete step by step, because if you delete something, even if you delete the quotation mark, anything that you delete that is not supposed to delete, your website may not work again. Please take your time. So the next one is airtime to cash. Okay, so I'm deleting now. So just take your time to delete gently, please. I'm saying it now. So delete step by step. So up to this less than a href. Alright, haven't done that. Let us save changes. Save changes. Okay, we've done that. So now let me go back. Okay, so we've done for the whole 5. So let's confirm. Let me confirm now. So let me see if it's still there. So this is you log in as a user to confirm. Log in as a user. So you register and log in. So I logged in now. So this is the now you can see there's no more wallet to bank. There's no more airtime to cash. As you can see, the icon there. You know the error was that delete the icon of wallet to bank and airtime to cash. So the icon, these were the icons that normally before. But since we have deleted the code from the website. Is no more here, as you can see. Look, it was here before. So the reason why we when we deleted the first two, it did not reflect. That was because the home page I'm using, by that time I had not deleted it from it. So you have to delete the airtime to cash and wallet to bank on all home pages. All. Okay, that's for this one. Then second thing you have to do is to delete it from this your home page or the dashboard. Let me show you my website. So this is my website. Now you can see that we still have airtime to cash here. Look, we have buy cheap data, buy airtime, convert airtime to cash. So how do we remove this? You log into go back to your file manager. Okay, okay, go back. Good. Go to your file manager. So now the next thing we want to do is actually to remove that airtime to cash from our home page, like our dashboard, our website dashboard, right? So we are going to we'll go to index.html. Okay, so go to your public underscore html, which is this. So this is what we have there now. These are the things we have under it. So go to your index, look at it down here, index.html, right click, then edit. So the index is what you will see when you log in, when someone goes to your website for the first time. So this is like the home page for anyone that visits your website. So everything here is what you will see when they click on your domain. So we want to remove um, airtime to cache. So let me pause it and come back. Okay, so to delete what you see when they go to your website, your domain, that's a home page. Look at what's going to happen. You can see this box 3. Look, box 3. Right, after box 3 you have div class column md3. So you delete from, let's just say, this div, this part up to this. So this whole, this is a comment box 3. So everything in that, let me even show you what you are deleting. You can see convert your excesses, airtime, and get paid within 5 minutes. So look at the heading, convert airtime to cash. So we are supposed to remove it from our home page, because when modify and paste tax, if they see it, they will know that you have not removed from your website. So to do that, you can see it in line 120. So I'll just delete from the greater than sign where you have this div. Look at it here. I'm deleting from this place here. So let's delete. Take your time to delete. Now don't delete something differently. Delete gently. Okay, so let me delete. Now I'm deleting up to this less than sign. Now I've deleted it. I'm now left with box 3 and box 4. So I've deleted what is in box 3, which is a comment, but that does not matter. So when you're done, you will go to save changes so that it will have effects. So save changes. Okay, now after saving changes, now let's confirm from our website if it will still be there. So refresh. So as you can see, it has been deleted from our website. So when Monify and Paystack we check your website, they won't see it again. You can see we only have buy cheap data online, buy airtime online, buy e-pins. So let me put it on mobile view. Okay, so this is my website now. Buy airtime, buy e-pins. So it has been removed now. So you message Paystack and Monify again. You can even show them screenshot that look at your website now. That airtime to cash, wallet to bank has been removed. You know, I've told you what to do to remove this particular one from this particular page. Then the one on your home page, when the user login, I've told you how to remove it also. Then if Monify and Paystack, if they are saying you should put your address, I think I've also shown you how to put your address. Now do not forget, don't make any mistake. If you delete less than sign when you're not supposed to delete it, your website may not work again, and you are not supposed to run to me because I took my time to actually edit it. I took my time, so please take your time to edit. If you have any issue, you can also always meet the customer care. For example, you're having issue with Modify, message them. You see a chat box on their website where you can message them. Message them, they will reply you. So I think this video is actually well detailed enough. So if they are telling you to add your address, so you go to your index where we are now, index.html. So let's see. You look for a place where they wrote create reseller website, the heading. Create reseller website. Let me look for it and come back. So you can see here, create reseller website. So you can add your address here. Let me show you can add it line I think 210 or something. So let's look for the last test there. Say pay bill CTC at your own profit. So I can put full stop. After profits, you can put full stop. Then you can add your address. Okay, so you can put your address like So number, let's say number two is the A2 road, whatever it is, A2 road. Ogun State, so Ogun, and whatever it is, whatever is your address, just put it. So Ogun State, I just want to put any address. So if they ask you to, you have to put your address actually, because I've shown you how to do that in the videos, in the video. So let's assume this is my address. Okay, so I've told you where to put it. So just click on save changes, then go to your website. Go to your website, then you refresh and see if your address is not showing. So I just put something there, but put your real address, because since you are dealing with people's money, they have to confirm your location and the rest. So let's see. So you can see create resellers website. You can see I just said you can put at number two. You can put your address. I just added something differently. So you can say with a new website you'll be able to sell data bundle, airtime, pay bill, etc. at your own price and make profit. So you can write contact us at whichever way you like. But this is a video explaining everything about how to verify your account on Paystack and Monify. The things you need to do to ensure that they approve your account. You have to remove wallet to bank, airtime to cash, and I've told you the steps to go. And then if you made a mistake, like you don't know, your website is not working again, and you don't know what you did wrong, you don't even know at all, and you wish to start afresh by uploading script, because you have to upload the script again. What will you do? You go to your file manager again. Let me delete all this. So what you do is what, this is your file manager, right? Go to your file manager, go to your public underscore html. This is your file manager, right? Okay, let me zoom in. So in case you made mistake and you don't know what to do, you don't know what's the kind of mistake you made, your website is not working, it's showing error, instead of disturbing me and trying your best to and is frustrating you, you can easily start again. And this time around, make sure that you you don't make any mistake. So what you do is what, go to public underscore html, look at it here, click on it, right? So you can see what I have here. These are the things in public underscore html. So you highlight everything. Okay, you can delete everything one by one. That is if you made mistake and you want to start afresh. Do you understand? But hold on, let me see this. Okay, see, you can click on this place here. I think this, you know, you click on select all. Where is select all? Okay, you can see select all here. Good. So if you select all, then you will delete. Select all. Good. Let me go back here. I don't want to make mistake. So when you select all, you delete. So I don't want to mistakenly delete my own. So public HTML, because this is a live account. So when you select all, then you delete. So you can see the delete up here. You can see delete here. So when you select or you delete, that is if you made mistake and you want to start afresh. You get. So let me not tell you now. If you made mistake and you want to start afresh, after deleting what is inside public underscore HTML, not you're not deleting your public HTML. Look at now, because this is just like your website. This is your public underscore HTML. It's like your website, but you are deleting what is inside. That is why you're clicking on it like this to delete what is inside. Then after deleting what's inside, then you now import that script again, then extract, then start afresh. That is if you want to start afresh. So this, I think this one answers everything. If you have any issue with your website and you don't know where you made mistake, you will start afresh. You highlight everything, delete what is inside public HTML. After deleting, you upload your script again, then also upload your database to your SQL file to your database, create a new database just like from beginning again. That's for that. If you have any issue with modify and paste tag, I already told you what to do. So you're only doing this one if you are having issue and you don't know how to fix your issue. Do you understand? If it's issue with paste tag, I've told you what to do. So if you have any issue with customer with paste tag and modify, you can also message their customer care. Thank you very much. I wish you success.